So this is going to be a video on how to make your waist look smaller. Unfortunately, there is no shortcut. We can't magically lose fat on our waist, but we can eat healthy and exercise. And yeah, this is going to be just a quick video just showing you some of the little fashion hacks that I like to use. And if you are trying to just get the appearance of a slimmer waist, then keep watching. So this is outfit number 1, and this is for the gym and you're exercising and you're not that confident maybe, or you're just new starting out to the gym and you just want to feel confident, because if you don't feel confident you probably won't have a good workout. So these leggings are from KLXX Fit. They used to be called Flex Fit, but these are high-waisted leggings. These are the best dupe for the Lululemons, because they've got like the really nice big waistband and they're so smooth. They're just literally like a second skin. I would definitely recommend, if you are working out and you're not that confident, get high-waisted leggings. They are the best. So yeah, that's outfit number 1. Okay guys, so this is outfit number 2, and I would call this kind of like a restaurant or going out for drinks with the girls kind of look. This is actually one of my favorite tops, and I've paired this top because it's got a dark background and with my blue high-waisted jeans. So I would always recommend, if you are trying to get the kind of illusion of having a smaller waist, it's always best to go with a darker kind of top and then contrasting it with the jeans. And also I would go with like a really kind of pattern, maybe floral kind of vibe, because when you do obviously have pattern, it kind of hides a lot of sins. So yeah, I would definitely go with a dark top, and then obviously you can contrast it with the jeans and it gives you that kind of look as if you've got a smaller waist. Okay guys, so this is outfit number 3, and this is your all black outfit. Really good if you're kind of going to the club and you don't want to wear a dress and you kind of just want to be comfortable and relax and have a good dance and all that. So yeah, I've just paired the basic black leggings. These are River Island and they are the high-waisted ones. They are so good quality. I would really recommend getting them if you don't have them. River Island. And yeah, and then I'm just pairing it with a black crop top. We've got the lace kind of making it look a bit dressy, and yeah, and then it just cinches in at the waist to give you that emphasis of a small waist. So yeah. Okay, so this is the final outfit guys, and I've just paired my blue River Island jeans with this really nice thick cropped cable knit jumper. I'm not sure where it's from because my mum got it for me. Shout out Mumsy. But yeah, it's actually one of my favourite because it's so warm, but at the same time it's kind of got like that waistband on the midriff again, so it's still giving you that kind of illusion of a smaller waist, but it's still keeping you warm. So yeah, I feel like this is just one of those outfits if you're going shopping. I would definitely invest in some crop jumpers if you haven't already, because they're just great just to pair with jeans or leggings and just throw it on, and you're still looking cute with that small waist, but you're keeping warm at the same time. So yeah, so that is my 4 outfits of how to make your waist look smaller. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys shortly.